Hello, this is George Senda, the real, official, authentic, original, the one, the only, the official, the guy from Pittsburgh, except no cheesy YouTube commentators, imposters, trolls, or people who wear cat heads, who use my content, my video titles, and we have really cranky cats. All right, this is Burgh unboxing. But first, I want to show you. I forgot to show you this because the first time I did an unboxing video the other day, I accidentally cut off the video. So this is my little stand that will fit a phone or the iPad, and it's very lightweight, but it will support the weight of the iPad, or an iPhone, and it folds up. You could easily put it in a pocket even. All right, this is Burgh unboxing. Excuse me, my voice is going again. And really fast, they sent this to me. This is to replace the one that didn't work. So I got another clock. There's another John Wayne clock. So I will put that in an appropriate place. So that's it. Not doing much today. Got to go cat feeding. I just opened the door to pick this up. It is freezing out there. So I'm not put my jacket on and the sweats. All right, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Have a great night. Stay wet, warm, dry, or cool as the case may be, and stay safe out there. And I'll catch you next time. Bye-bye for now.